Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing 2.5 Father Returning Home. It is composed by Dilip Chitke. Dilip Chitke was a noted and influential bilingual poet and translator who worked in Marathi and English. He was into painting and filmmaking also. In this present poem, the poet shows the loneliness and world weariness of an old man in the modern society. It is an account of any old man who works hard for his family but leads to monotonous life where no one is there to take care of him, to converse with him or to understand his feelings. Before starting poem, we are going to discuss its icebreaker. Your first icebreaker is discuss with your partner the difficulties that you faced while commuting. Commuting means transform also, and from the college by public transport. While commuting from the college by public transport, which difficulties we faced, we have to recall here. I have noted down some difficulties which we faced while commuting from college. Here, first one we can call crowded bus or trains. It is very big difficulty while returning from college. Second is here difficult to board in peak hours. Sometimes it is very difficult to board in this public transport. Here number C is have to miss a couple of trains or buses to board safely. Such public transports are very crowded, and that's why sometimes we have to miss a couple of trains and buses to board safely there. Number D is here on such days miss an important lecture. If we miss our trains and buses on this particular day, we have to miss some important lectures. Second icebreaker here is the similar problems are faced by the other commuters on the way to their workplace. Imagine their plight and suggest the solution. Like college going boys, sometimes workers also faced this similar problem. Now we have to suggest some solution here. Some solutions are given. Giving them your place to sit. It is the best way that we have to give our place to them. Second here is make way for a senior citizen to enter the crowded bus or train and request seat for him. If we find any senior citizen there, we have to make way for this senior citizen and also request some peoples to sit for him. Third here is take share rides for the same cost with those traveling same routes. If such workmen going to their workplace, if we have same routes at the particular time, we can share these rides with the same cost. Offer a lift to those traveling in the same direction. If we have our own bike or car, we can offer them a lift to those traveling in the same direction. We can help by such a way. Here, complete the following table. Here we have two tables A and B. The way our elders take care of us. Now we have to mention, we have to remember how our elders take care of us. Here one is given love and protect us. We also can support them by support or educate and guide us through childhood and youth until we are independent. Mostly our seniors, our elders, they support us, educate us, guide us through childhood to youth age. Our elders provide us with pocket money and gift we ask for. Such activities is done by our elders. Here B table mention the way you can take care of elders in your family? In B column, we have to recall how we take care of our elders. One is given, help them in daily course. We can help our elders by sharing their course, their works. Second is given here, help with errands to the bank, stores or other requirements. We can help them into bank, stores and other requirements. Third is ensure good health with exercise or social engagement or doctor visit or meditation. We can encourage our elders for their good health with exercise. We also encourage them to do meditation or yoga. By such way, we can take care of our elders. Third activity here is write your duties towards the following. Here we have two blocks, family, school and college. Here in family we have three parts like parents, siblings, grandparents. Now we have to write our duties regarding our families. For parents, we can share responsibilities. We can help around the house. We can help our parents to cut expenses, discuss family problems and try to help in any way. Like that, we can do our duties for our parents. For siblings, our duties are be a role model for younger, share resources when possibilities, correct wrong behavior or bring to attention of parents. Like that we can be done our duties. In family, last block is for grandparents. For grandparents, our duties are be respectful, help if sick or need care, spend time to chat with our grandfather, read to them, enjoy light moments and pray with them, learn values, ask about their life as youth, take advices from our grandparents and discuss doubts if unable to approach parents. We must have responsible for our family like that. For our school or college, we have some duties for teachers and classmates. For teachers, we can always be respectful. We have to respectful to our teachers. Be courteous, grateful for their help in our progress in life. Stay in touch even after your school or college days. Update them of your progress. Greet on festivals or New Year. We must respectful, grateful, courteous to our teachers. For our classmates, our duties are be courteous. Do not associate with those having bad habits. It is most important thing. Those having bad habits, we have to ignore them. Help those who may need support. Share notes while safeguarding against lazy ones. Be cooperative and work as a good team member. Offer moral supports if anyone is having problems. If any of our classmates need our moral support, if he has any doubts, any problems, at the particular time we have to offer him some moral supports.